December.
And the third day of Vlogmas.
I'm Kat.
And I'm Sydney. And today we're going to be talking to you about how you can decorate your flat for Christmas. And little did you know that actually we didn't know. But I didn't have any Christmas attire, so I've been gifted a sock, which I'm going to drape over myself. Merry Christmas. So the first way you can decorate your flat is behind us. This is a 6-foot tree that we got, I think, from Argos, or if not from Home Bargains, and it was about £25. We all decorated the tree as a flat together, which is really fun if you're really struggling. Sort of get through the Christmas period whilst not being at home.
Number 2 is basically just surround your flat in fairy lights. That's what we've done.
Like drown in fairy lights.
Like literally drowned. Like there's walls everywhere.
There are nearly all 4 walls in here have fairy lights on, and it just makes it all warm and cosy.
Yeah.
And then 3, if you've got some of them left over, whack them in a bottle.
Just put them in a bottle. Number 4 is trinkets. Basically, just get a bunch of like little decorations and stuff from Wilko's. These are about like £1.50 at Wilko's, and they usually light up. But these have been a contender of mine for 3 years, so they don't anymore.
But they're really cute to have in our windowsill.
They are so cute.
Also, if Wilko's out of your price range, Poundland have so much stuff, and that sort of moves us on to number 5, which is stuff for the window. You know, like the gel stickers or snow spray, and make it look all Christmassy.
Number 6 is paper snowflakes and such.
So like paper chains as well.
Yeah, paper chains. It's a really fun activity to do with your flatmates, especially because it's a nice way to bond and you guys have loads of fun.
It's so soothing to do the paper chains. So if you've had a really bad day and you're feeling a bit low, put on a bad Christmas movie, listen to my Kaboob logo, and paper those chains. That's all the things that we've done to decorate our flat. If you've got any ideas though, we'd love to see them in the comments.
Because it's not like we need any more than we already have.
We love Christmas, so if we can do anything more, we'll do that. Christmas! Did you know? It's said by US scientists that Santa, in order to be able to go to all the kids' homes, actually goes to 822 kids' homes. Is it a second or a minute?
In a second.
In a second. Did you know?
Number 2. Did you know that 6 million rolls of sellotape are going to be sold around Christmas time? That's so much sellotape.
So you sparing me.
Thanks for watching our video, guys. We really appreciate it. Give us a like, a comment and a subscribe if you like the video, and make sure to follow us on all our social media. It's all going to be down in the description.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. You filthy animal. And I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree.